Hi, this is Johnny. I got this Spice Hunter uh, at Walmart when I stopped by the local store, and it was 1998 before tax, of course, and it looked pretty cool. I wasn't expect to find this one, but it was pretty nice, and it's a racing shooting game, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. And I believe I'm going to be the first person who did a video on this because this is the first time. This is number 16 because I did a YouTube search and nobody have done a video on this one yet. So I guess I'll be the first. It look pretty cool. It's more like a NES ROM. I believe they modded a little bit, so it's not quite exactly, but so that's what it look like. So that's the demo. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it and let's check it out and see, and I'll let you know by end of the video what I think. Okay. Let's open this one. If you haven't seen this video, I did a video just not long ago about the Defender. It finally came out. This was number 17 and this one is number 16. So interesting. I pretty much opened them and I threw away the box, so I don't know what number is what anymore. Alright, same book, same type of information. This is telling you need 3 AA battery to charge this. You need a Phillips screwdriver to open this. Okay. And let's see what's the button layout. So the middle button is start and the right button is to fire. Alright, it's pretty self-explaining. Okay, let's try it. Alright, so now I have some experience how to open this. So first you take the tape out. Alright. They do have Mortal Kombat, but I didn't buy it. It have 6 buttons. The design, hardware design is pretty nice. It's just the software itself, the ROM, it wasn't that great. So I didn't buy it because the audio sound terrible. The Mortal Kombat, the reason it is good is because of the sound. And of course the control is very important too, but without the sound you can't really play it, without a good sound. Oop, I did it again. So when you open this will loosen this up and this will come flying out. Okay, all right, so let's put that to the side and let's put this in on the side. Alright, and let's go ahead and measure this since we already have it out. Well, before we measure it, let's go ahead and look at it up close. Okay, so this is what it looked like on the top. Pretty cool. The joystick, pretty good. The side art, very nice. And then here you're gonna pull this out, straight out. You could put it back in if you want. And it sounds like a game is already started already. It's up close. I don't know what that say. There you go. Spy Hunter and all related character element basic fun, making China. Top is black, bottom is black. No any special foot. Just this piece right here, kind of stick out a little bit, so you just put it on top. Okay. And let's go ahead and turn it on. And let's turn the volume up. On, off, 1, 2. So there's only 2 instead of 4 like the other one. There's only 2. So you got off button. We just turn it off. Then we have 1, 2. That's it. Okay. All right. And let's go ahead and let's go ahead and measure the screen. See how big the screen is. Should be the same as the other one. About, I'm gonna say a little bit smaller. It's about almost like a 2.3 instead of 2.4. It's actually smaller than that. I guess it's maybe because the screen is made for the, and this is little bit smaller. It's like less than 1.5. It's like 1.4. Let me bring it up close to you and let you look at it. You see if I did something wrong. So based on measure, let's turn it back on. So based on that, if you measure the screen, it looks like it's only like a 2.3. Let me turn the sound off so I don't get in trouble with the copyright. Alright, so measuring based on that, it's only like a 2.3. It's not quite 2.5 yet. Because they kind of arch in a little bit, so it's not really from this corner to this corner, because the screen is actually smaller. And if you measure across, it's about 1.3. Sorry. Or 1. Wait a second. No, that's 1.5. 1, 2, 3. 1.8. 1.8. About right there instead of. Yeah, it went off again. Okay, turn it back on. So that's a 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. And then from here to here, it's like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 1.5. Okay, if you count the black rim around it, it's 1.5. Okay, so this screen seems to be smaller. It seems to be a lot smaller than the Space Invader for some reason. I mean, if you measure the corner to the corner, you know, without the light up screen, is 2.5. But physically, the ring around it, I don't know, it's very hard to tell since the screen is so small. But let's see the height. It's about the same height. For some reason, this screen, when I measure it, is a lot bigger than this screen. I don't know. But I do know this speaker is louder. You press it 4 times. This one you press it only 2 times. So this one is not as fancy, and this one has 3 buttons. This one only has 2. And some reason this one keep on going to sleep mode. Alright, so let's bring it close and let's check out the screen. On the right side is good. Bottom is good. Top is good. You don't have that funny color. And the left side, I don't know. Left side kind of blurry. So let me see. Right side's clear. For some reason, this screen is not as perfect. Okay, the up is good. The down is good. The left side seems to be kind of faded out a little bit. Yeah, the left side is faded out. It's not as clear. See, you cannot see the word very clear as compared to the right side. You look straight at it, the word is very bright. When you look at this way, see it's faded. So I think the left side is not as good as, so compared to the screen, this one's not as good as the one over there. It's not as good. See, it's kind of more, to me, I don't know, what you tell me. I think it's kind of faded. Look kind of faded. It's not perfect screen like the other one. Alright, let's go ahead and play. Keep on turning the sound. Let me turn it to a low, and let's go ahead and start the game. I'm about to turn it off. The beginning of the sound. It's weird shooting up some. I thought it was going to be shooting. It is pretty loud, but the low sound is pretty loud, and then the high, oh, here we go. Oh, if you hold it, you just keep on shooting. So that if you keep on holding it, it will shoot like. Okay, I'm not able to play this very well. Keep on dying. But it's pretty cool. The sound is pretty good. It play music, and I cannot have it play music. But at the same time, it's hard to demo something when you cannot have the sound turned on. Well, you have a Hoptocopter too. See, when you blow them up, you can't even hit the grass. But if you do, you die. Let's see. If I shoot them, if I shoot them, they tend to. Oh, this guy just hit me out of the street. See if I could turn the sound. Let me see if I could play it further away and then turn the sound. That way it won't record it. Because if I put it too close to my iPhone, it's going to record the sound very loud because it's real close to it. And so let me zoom in and then turn on the sound. Okay, so it's not as close to the phone, so then that's pausing it. Even though the sound is low, it's still pretty loud, you know, you can still hear it. And that's the thing, is it's the copyright issue. So I cannot really leave the music on too long. Yeah. So yeah, it's really hard. The whole game had music. So where that one is not. The Defender, you just shoot, you know, it doesn't have music, just have choo, 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 choo. This one tend to have music, so it's really hard to demo this without having the music turned on. So I apologize for that. But the sound is pretty loud. I mean, if you listen to it, it's pretty loud. It's out there. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Do I recommend it? If you like shooting and racing game, I will. definitely would be a good one. It's pretty challenging. It's not like a baby play. It's pretty good. I like it. The control is pretty good. It's just that, you know, when you play up close, it's pretty nice. And the music and the sound and the action, the shooting and the helicopter sound and everything is pretty, good. They pretty much nailed it. The sound, everything is good. So yeah, I do recommend this if you like racing. Spy Hunter, which is pretty fun. I actually never played the NES, but it's fun, and especially also this one, Defender. So both the game are good, exactly the same size. So I do recommend it. So if you haven't got one, go to. It's not on the Walmart.com. It's only in a local store. So you have to visit your local store nearby and see if they have it. Okay. But yeah, the sound is very loud. This one only have two voice, like low and high. This one have low, medium, and high, and off. Okay, let me double check it. Turn it on. Okay, off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you got 3 levels. You got low, medium, high, and then off. Okay, this one only have so if you don't touch it, it automatically go to sleep mode. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so you got low, loud, and off. That's it. Low, loud, and off. Okay, so this only have low and loud. This one has low, medium, loud on this one. Okay, so hopefully this helped. Interesting, they exactly the same, but this screen is a little bit smaller, and this screen is white at 2.5, and this one is like maybe 2.4, a little bit smaller diagonally, but it's good. And this screen is a lot better on all direction. This screen tend to have a little bit of lighter screen when you look at from the left than you do from the right, top, bottom. This one all direction is good. So this one is a A. This one is probably a B plus. All right. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.